Hi guys, welcome back here in my channel. In this video we have very interesting topic. We will going to learn family circle. Let's start. Jad. Jad means grandfather. Jadda. Jadda means grandmother. Ab. Ab means father. Means mother. Ak means brother. Okte means sister. Eben means son. Bint means daughter. Hafid means grandson. Hafida means granddaughter. In English, the uncle and aunt from the father's side and mother's side are the same. But in Arabic, it is different. Am means uncle from father's side. Amma means aunt from father's side. Khal means uncle from mother's side. Kala means aunt from mother's side. Now, let's talk about cousins. Ibn al-Am means sons of uncle from father's side. Bint al-Am means daughter of uncle from father's side. Ibn al-Amma means sons of aunt from father's side. Bint al-Amma means daughter of aunt from father's side. Ibn al-Khal means son of uncle from mother's side. Bint al-Khal means daughter of uncle from mother's side. Ibn al-Khala means son of aunt from the mother's side. Bint al-Khala means daughter of aunt from the mother's side. Guys, I hope you enjoy watching while learning. Please like, share, and subscribe. Did you get it? Please drop your comment down below and hit the bell button for the latest video. Thank you for watching and see you!